Investigation 2.4 is about how objects accelerate and decelerate. The setup involves a ramp with 11 rubber bands spaced 5 centimeters apart. The rubber bands are numbered for your convenience. It also involves a stopwatch that's running in the background to read the times off of. You will be recording the time that the ball reaches each rubber band. After you've answered the getting started questions, use this video to collect your data. Each test will play 3 times, each slower than the other so that you can see it slowed down, but don't be afraid to pause the video if you need to. Now we'll try this rolling the ball up the ramp.
Ready, set, go.
Now that you've collected your data, it's time to graph it and answer some questions about it.